Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss linear arrays. So then these are all the contents in our first unit syllabus. Data structures, definition of data structure operations, abstract data types, complexity of algorithms, time and space complexities, array representation of arrays, representation of arrays already discussed in previous classes. Today we want to learn linear arrays and its operations. What are the operations on linear arrays? Insertion, deletion, and traversal of a linear array. So linear array means, what is linear array? What is linear array? Simple, a linear array is a collection of same related data items with a common name. A linear array is a collection of same related data items with a common name. All of you. So simply, array is a collection of same related data items with a common name. So linear array means array similar to arrays. Similar to arrays. Simply linear arrays same are both are same. So linear array is a collection of similar data items. So here linear arrays. First of all, we want to create an array, then insert some elements into an array. After some time, after inserting elements, then we want to insert elements anywhere of the list or array. Anywhere means beginning of the list, big end of the list, or middle of the list. The next one operation is delete operation. This is used to delete an element from a list or an array. So anywhere from the list. So delete operation is used to delete an element from the array from anywhere. Beginning of the array, middle of the array, or end of the array. Clear all of you. Next one is a traversal of a linear array. Traversal means search one after another. Simply, we can search all the elements in an array. We can traverse all the elements in an array. For example, in our classroom, I want to take an attendance. I want to take your attendance. Clear? I want to take your attendance. Then simply, how? First of all, I want to call begin from roll number 1 to roll number 53. Clear? Roll number 1 to roll number 53. Then stop it. Clear all of you? So then I want to traverse roll number 1. I want to call roll number 2. I want to call roll number 3, 4, 5, 6 in sequentially until end of the register numbers. Clear? Yes. Then linear array is a collection of same related data items with a common name. All the array blocks are fixed length blocks. So here shows the index values and addresses of the block. Index value and address of the block. Clear? So then these linear arrays, then these are all the operations on linear arrays. Then the next one is sharing. So linear arrays. What are the operations on linear arrays? Simply linear arrays. First of all, insert an element, delete an element, and also traversing elements. A linear array. So definition of linear array. A linear array is a list of finite numbers of elements stored in the memory. List of finite number of elements stored in the memory. An array is a collection of same related data items with a common name. Those are all stored in the memory. Clear? In a linear array, we can store only homogeneous data elements. What is homogeneous data elements? An array is a collection of homogeneous elements. Homogeneous means same data type, values, all the values under same data type. Clear? The name is common name. That means homogeneous elements. An array is a collection of same related data items with a common name, that is called homogeneous. An array is a homogeneous elements, data elements. Elements of the array form a sequence or linear list that can have the same type of data. That can have the same type of data. Elements of the array form a sequence of linear list that can have the same type of data. So each element of the array is referred by an index. So then in the previous example, this is an array, one dimensional array. This is a list of elements. So then the first block length equal to 2 bytes, second block length equal to 2 bytes, third block length equal to 2 bytes, fourth block length equal to 2 bytes, and fifth block length equal to 2 bytes. So here the array is a collection of same related data items. Then here the array is a fixed length memory blocks. Fixed length memory blocks. First memory block length equal to 2 bytes. Next memory block length equal to 2 bytes. 2 bytes, 2 bytes, 2 bytes, etc. Then these are called index values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are called index values. These are called addresses 100, 102, 104, and 106, and 108. These are all the addresses. So how many blocks are there? 5 blocks. So then in the arrays, you can take either single dimensional, double dimensional, or multi-dimensional. The index value starting with 0 ended with n minus 1. What is n? 5 is the n. N minus 1 equal to 4. Total 5. 0 to 4 elements we can store in the array. Clear? These are called values of the array. The first element inserted into A of 0 location, the second element inserted into A of 1 location, the third element inserted into A of second location, the fourth element assigned into A of third location, and fifth element assigned into A of fourth location. Clear? All of you? This is a single dimensional array. So sequential array representation. Clear, all of you? So this is an array. So come here. In the linear arrays, each element of the array is referred by an index set. A of 0, A of 1, A of 3, A of 4, A of 5, etc. That is referred by an index set. Next one, what are the operations on arrays? Mainly insert, delete, and traversal. These are the operations on linear arrays. All of you, I want to take one general example. I want to explain. Listen carefully, all of you. General example, funny example. So your lunch break is 120. Am I right? 120. After 120, first of all, check your bags. So at the checking time, if you found your lunch box, then open, then start eating until the box is empty. Clear, all of you? If the box is found in your bag, then collect and open the box, then start eating until box is empty. Clear, all of you? Clear? Then there is no box. Is it possible to take food? Is it possible to eat food? No. Am I right? Yes or no, all of you? I repeat. In the lunch hour, first of all, we want to check our bag. The lunch box is available in our bag or not. If the lunch box is available, then bring out, open the box, and start eating. Then start processing. Start eating until box is empty. Clear, all of you? Similarly, in our data structures, in linear arrays, one-dimensional arrays, first of all, we want to create an array. If then there is no array, is it possible to insert an element into an array? No. Then there is no box. Is it possible to open and start eating? No. First of all, box, identify the box. Here also, first of all, we should create an array. Then apply the operations. What are the operations are there? Insertion operation, deletion operation, and traversal of a linear array. Clear all of you? Clear? Yes. The various operations on linear array is given by, the first one is create operation. Create means first of all we want to define the array size and read how many elements we want to store in an array, 5 or 6 or 10, etc. Then read one by one element and assign into array locations. Clear? Then here simply printf, enter the size of the array, read n. Read n, where n equal to 5, assume. Print n elements, print, enter the number of elements, n elements. For I is equal 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Read one by one elements, the elements assign into, first element assign into a of 0 location, then the second element assign into a of 1 location, third element assign into a of 2 location, fourth element assign into a of 3 location, fifth element assign into a of 4th location, then I plus plus I value equal to 5, 5 less than 5, condition becomes false, the control exit from this loop. So array is created. All of you, array is created. Next operation is insertion operation. Insert operation. If you want to, we want to insert an element at the end of the array. If you want to insert an element at the end of the array or middle of the array or end starting of the array, beginning of the array, then there is a possibility. Then enter the position for the new element. Which position after you want to insert an element? Read position. Next one is printf, enter element to be inserted. Which element you want to insert? For example, I want to insert 50. Read value, the value equal 50. So then start the loop. For I is equal to n minus 1, I greater than or equal to position, then I minus minus, then loop come back, come to the back side. Then that's why I minus 1, 4, I equal to 4. 4 greater than or equal to position 3. Yes, if it is yes, then a of I plus 1 equal to a of I, a position equal to value, then interchange the values. Then where n equal to n plus 1, 5 plus 1 equal to 6. Why? Already the array size equal to 5 blocks assigned. Clear? Now already filled 5 blocks. Now I want to insert, we want to insert an element into the array. So then increase the size of the array. That's why where n equal to n plus 1. Clear? Where n value equal to 6. Next one is void delete. This is the delete operation. This is used to delete an element from the list or array. So we delete from the element, from where you want to delete, beginning of the array or end of the array or middle of the array. Which position you want to delete? First of all, we want to read the position, then value equal to a of position, position value assigned into val variable. For I is equal to position, I less than minus 1, I plus plus, then a of I equal to a of I plus 1. Then which is the position? For example, 10 or 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 6 elements are there. I want to remove 30. Which position is that one? 30 is the third position, second position. Removing these elements, then the remaining elements move one block front, one block front. Clear all of you? So all the elements move from original position to original position minus 1. Clear? Then in this example, clear all of you, where n equal to n minus 1. Clear all of you? Then this is removing n elements from the list. Next one, display. We know for I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, display all elements one by one elements until condition becomes false. When the for loop condition becomes false, then the control exit from this display function. Then void search. If you what is search? What is searching? Simply. So last unit searching and sixth unit is searching techniques. What here sorting techniques there here searching. What is searching? Searching. So we want to find an element in an array or not. We want to find a student in your class or not. I want to find a student in your class or not. Clear, all of you. So that is called searching. I want to find a value in the address locations or in the array or not. That is called searching. So then here searching, void search, printf enter the element to be searched. Which element you want to search? For example, I want to search 90. So for I is equal to 0, then if a of 0 location value equal to 90, if it is true, then display the element is present at position. If it is false, then the control exits, the control increment the I value by 1 itself. Then I value is 1 less than n, the condition is true. Then again check this condition, both are true, then display this message. Otherwise, repeat the loop until the condition becomes false. Repeat the loop until the condition becomes false. Clear, all of you? Then if I equal to 1, then if the condition is true, then if I equal to n, then the search is successful. Clear, all of you? So I know this is the I will explain in your classroom also. Don't worry. So why? Because there is no blackboard facility in our home. That's why just I explained. So in your classroom, when you will come on that time, I will explain each and every step on your board. Clear, all of you? Then strings. What is string? What are the string library functions available in C language? Then explain each and every string library function with example in clearly. I will explain the next class. Clear, all of you? Tomorrow class strings. That is the last concept in your first unit syllabus. Clear, all of you? Please download your material. Already yesterday I sent your WhatsApp group. Clear, all of you? Then so this is the most important question today's topic. Error representation. Write and explain error representation, or write and explain what is linear array, what are the operations on linear array, explain with examples. He will ask 8 marks question. Clear, all of you? What is linear array? What are the various operations on linear arrays? Explain with examples. Okay, tomorrow we will discuss string library functions. String library functions. Clear? This is the last. This is the most important question. What is string, or define string? Write and explain string library functions with examples. Write and explain string library functions with examples. Clear, all of you? Okay. Thank you.